Number 9, which of the following nuclei lie within the band of stability? And then we have lead, which has the number 206. Now the first question is, what is this 206? Well, the numbers on the top, right, of this type of notation, the bigger numbers are always going to be your atomic mass. Now your atomic mass has 2 subatomic particles, right? It's got protons in it, and also it's got neutrons. Now, in order for us to determine if something is stable, the first thing you got to do is figure out how many individual protons and how many individual neutrons you have. We now know that we have a total of 206, but we need to find out the total number of each. So there's a number that wasn't given to us, right? Usually there's a number at the bottom. And this number is always your atomic number. Now the atomic number is unique for every element out there. Every element has its own unique atomic number, which can be found on the periodic table. So whip those periodic tables out. I got mine out in front of me. I'm going to spot out where Pb is on the periodic table, and I see it, right? And what atomic number does it have? It's the lower number. It's 82. Beautiful. So we know that it has an atomic number of 82, and atomic numbers always tell you the total number of protons. So we have 82 total protons. Well, that's great, because if we have a total of protons and neutrons of 206, and we know that we have 82 protons, what can we do with these two numbers to find out my neutrons? Yeah, we just do a little bit of a subtraction here, right? So let's see, we got, what is that? 124? Yes, I'm just making sure it's a 206er, and it's an 82. I'm just making sure. Yep. So we got 124 neutrons. And I'll just write that over here, 124. And if I add these two numbers up, just to kind of double check, we will get 206. 4 plus 2 is 6. And then 12 plus 8 is 20. Okay, beautiful. So the first thing, always check your magic numbers. Now, if you have either protons or neutrons as either one of these 7 magic numbers, we will be in the band of stability. So let's see. I'm looking for either an 82 or a 124. And we have an 82. 82 goes with 82. Now, the reason why these are such special and magic numbers is because these are your total max. They kind of act like electrons. These are your total number of electrons outside of the nucleus for each shell. So like S, P, D, F, etc., etc. So the same thing here. If you have a max amount of either protons or neutrons in your shell or in your nucleus, it's kind of like filled, it's really, really, really stable. So 82 checks out. You just need at least one magic number. You don't need both. So since you have a magic number here, this is automatically going to be in the band of stability, which means that it's a stable isotope. And in this case, if you can spot out a magic number, you don't even have to go to the graph to find it out. But if you didn't have a magic number, then you would have to go to the graph. And that's it. What'd you think? I hope this helped. Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for viewing the video. Subscribe to the channel. And I look forward to helping you in more lessons. Check the channel out. We got tons more videos for you guys. We have physics, math videos, and we just opened memberships. If you guys want to be a member to the channel, help us out even more, that'd be great. Not obligated, not mandatory, but any little bit helps. So thank you so much for your support, and I'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye-bye.